Alright people, so in this part I'm just going to saturate my hair with a little bit of the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I did put some argan oil and some water in it prior to putting this product in. So basically I'm just going to get the hair really saturated, really mixed with the product. This product really defines the curls and gives it like a nice like structured look and a little bit of a bounce. So I am going to go ahead and do like some really light baby hairs. I'm actually going to end up just brushing them out after because I'm not too crazy with the baby hairs all the time. I am using the Got To Be Glue, the yellow one. I usually use a black one, but I ran out, so I have to use this one for now. This one is fine. After I wrap it overnight, it's going to, you know, break the cast a little bit, so it's not going to be as stiff and kind of baby hair looking type in a way. So I'm just going to wrap my hair, and then I'm going to use a silk bonnet. I use this with all my curly units. I usually use this because it's soft and it really kind of like helps the curls stay plush underneath overnight. And this usually stays on my head overnight, and this is what I usually do to get the curls to look magnificent the next day. Guys, so this is the finished look of this unit. So I really love this unit. Now last year the curly bob trends was a big thing last year. I think I reviewed at least like 3 or 4 of them. I still have one, and I believe the one I have some RPG here. I absolutely love that curly bob. Now this is going to be my next step into the season for 2019. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this wig is everything. So in the video today, I did show you guys styling overnight. So I did show you guys I put product in the hair. I put the Cantu leave-in conditioner, a little bit of argan oil, and I just kind of saturated the hair before with water, and I just wrapped my hair up, put my silk bonnet on top, and I went to sleep with it. This is what the hair looks like the next day. I did go in and add a little bit of water in some spots that were kind of like, you know, crunched up from the overnight. And this is honestly the hair like 100% air dried from the process last night. Now I usually do that sometimes when I have somewhere to go the next day and I don't have time to kind of hair it down, kind of play with the curls. I hate going outside with that wet noodle hair look. I'm just not a big fan of that. The hair has to be dried and it has to have a curl pattern with purpose, I like to call it. So the only thing I did do was use a Y2 comb to kind of go ahead and fan it out in some areas. I wanted it to be, you know, nice and buff in some areas and still have definition with the curls. I love how this unit is angled, styled perfectly. I wasn't too offended of how the front of this wig was too long. Now let me read the specs to you guys before I get kind of carried away, but don't forget guys, I'll leave everything down below in regards to this unit. So this unit was from Divaswigs.com. It's the Malaysian human hair, 180% density curly bob or lob. Oh, it's curly lob. I get it. See, lob. Now it says it's a 360 lace front hair, but this is not a 360 lace front wig. This has about 6 inches of parting space. That I can tell you guys. It has a lot of parting space. I usually like to do my side parts, and I could have carried it a little bit further back till here, but I just cut it off right here and just folded some hair over. So it does have a great amount of parting space, which is A1. Now this one is a natural color. It's about 14 inches, meaning lob, while it's 14 inches hair and about 12 inches in the back, and it's 180% density, which you guys can see. The best part about this unit is the curl. Guys, the curl is amazing. Just absolutely amazing. It came to me like this. I washed it, and this is what it looked like. This unit did come pre-bleached in the front, so I basically went in, and I really didn't even need to add the powder, to be honest with you guys. The only area that I probably really need to add the powder on with this unit was just right here. Guys, I'm telling you guys, this wig is everything. I absolutely love it. So guys, this unit did come with the works. It did come pre-bleached. It came pre-tweezed. Now, you know me, I like to get all extra, so I did go in and try to customize it a little bit more. So I'll go ahead and do a close-up so you guys can see the perimeter. I do love this wig a lot. I'm telling you guys, I did this trend last year, and I feel like this trend's gonna come through again. Diva Wigs has great wigs, great quality wigs. I love the parting space on this one because you could do a middle part, you could do just about anything. It has a lot of parting space, which is the main thing that I was just in love with when it came to this unit. It's a lightweight unit too as well, so it's not heavy. So you're not gonna be lugging around this big old heavy curly bob. It's just like the perfect density. It's the perfect length, the perfect style, transitioning from the fall, winter into spring into summer. So I'm definitely into this. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Divaswigs.com. Do not forget guys, thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.